In this video, you'll learn how to place a trade on the Mitrade app. First, open the Mitrade app on your device. Once the app loads, you'll be taken to the home page. To place a trade, tap on Trade and select the instrument you want to trade. For example, choose Forex, then tap on the GBP/USD pair to open its chart. After the chart opens, expand it by tapping the box icon on the screen. At the bottom of the chart, you'll see the buy and sell buttons. If you want to buy the market, tap the buy button. If you want to sell, tap the sell button. In this example, select sell by tapping the red button. This will open the trade setup screen, where you can set your lot size. Tap on the lot size field and enter your desired value, such as 0.1. Once you've set the lot size, tap the sell button again to place the trade on the GBP/USD pair. To view your running trade, tap the back arrow at the top of the screen to return to the main page. From there, tap on Positions at the bottom of the screen. This will open a new page showing all your trades. Tap on Open to view your currently running trade.